Question 1. About how many paper clips is the length of the spoon? About 9 paper clips, about 7 paper clips, about 8 paper clips, or about 10 paper clips. Question 2. Some coins are lined up next to a pin. About how long is the pin? About 10 coins, about 9 coins, about 8 coins, or about 7 coins. Question 3. A scientist measured the length of the bumblebee shown above. About how long is the bee? 4 centimeters, 12 centimeters, 3 centimeters, or 2 centimeters. Question 4. The students in Mr. Purcell's class are measuring their desk. The students record a measure of 20. Which of the following is a reasonable unit to describe their measurement? 20 inches, 20 feet, 20 yards, or 20 centimeters. Question 5. Adam measures the length of his big pink eraser using the width of his thumb. Which unit of measurement is about equal to the width of Adam's thumb? A yard, a foot, or a centimeter? Question 6. Which pet is less than 1 foot long? Question 7. A baseball bat is about 1 yard long. Andy uses 2 baseball bats to measure the table. About how long is the table? 12 inches, 2 feet, 1 yard, or 2 yards. Question 8. About how long is the glue? About 1 inch, about 2 inches, about 8 inches, or about 10 inches. Question 9. Which object would most likely be about 1 inch long? A table, a bed, a paperclip, or a tree? Question 10. Look at the picture. About how long is a pencil? 4 inches, 5 inches, or 6 inches? Question 11. Which item would most likely be about 3 inches? A crayon, a whiteboard, a school bus, or a fingernail? Once you finish your quiz, please click Submit.